Hi there, this is Jane from the blog chalkandupsuccess.com, and today I'm going to be making 2 simple autumn wreaths with dried hydrangea flowers and corn husk leaves. These really are the most simple wreaths to make. Think of them as the lazy girl's guide to autumn wreaths. No, I'm not saying you're lazy. I'm just saying that home styling for each season doesn't always have to be a mammoth task to be dreaded. For these simple autumn wreaths, I use a metal wire ring as a base. These wreaths also look stunning on smaller rings. You could even make 3 in varying sizes and hang them together, and that would be a really stunning look. You just need to take a small bundle of dried corn husk leaves and then bind them to the wire ring with florist's wire. Continue to do this all the way around, making sure to slightly overlap each bundle so you cover up the wire. If you can still see the wire once you're finished, just use the glue gun to add some more corn husk leaves to cover it up. Then just glue some colourful dried autumn leaves around the inside of the wreath to finish. Now all you need to do is attach some ribbon, burlap or string to your autumn wreath and hang it up. These flowers are from my Annabelle hydrangeas, and during the summer there are an explosion of huge creamy white flowers. We have one of these right outside our front door, and it's one of Brilly's favourite places to cool off in the summer because it's on the shady side of our house. When you're cutting the dried blooms, make sure to leave about 10 to 15 centimetres of the stem attached, because this is what we'll use to tie the hydrangea blooms to the straw wreath. First, wrap the florist wire around the straw wreath and twist the ends together to secure it in place. Select a small bundle of hydrangea flowers and start tying them to the straw wreath. I cover the whole of the width of the wreath with one bundle. Continue to cover the straw wreath, working around the circle. Overlap the flowers slightly until the wreath is completely covered. These small hydrangea flowers will fall out of the wreath now and again, so if you're hanging this inside, make sure it's not in a high traffic area where it will be bumped around too much. There are so many ways to decorate wreaths with dried flowers, leaves and grasses. I've linked below to a place where you can find lots of inspiration for your own wreath, or even buy a ready-made one if you're not into making one yourself. Corn husk wreath is hanging in my office. If you've been following my office makeover progress, you'll know that I haven't had a chance to decorate the walls yet. This simple autumn wreath is just perfect for the bare wall opposite the new shelves, at least until I start decorating for Christmas anyway. I used contrasting ribbons to decorate the hydrangea wreath, and I've tied that to my front door. As long as we don't have too many high winds, it should last until my Christmas wreath replaces it at the end of November. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you like it or if you don't like it, and hit the bell if you want to be notified when I upload a new video. Well, that's it from me and Chalk Clip Success. I hope you have a lovely day, and thanks for watching to the end of the video.